On this day, in the presence of God our Father, you will establish with each other a partnership of life and of love. On this day of gladness, may God hear you, look upon you, and send you help from above. And may God fulfill your heart's desire and grant your every prayer.
Ikaw at ako, pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay.
Dear babe, 10 years ago, we began as two people just figuring life out. Ikaw na naglalakad-lakad lang sa UP, at ako naman na naliligaw kung paano ako makakarating sa building na nahanap ko.
Today, I stand before you with a full heart and steady hands, knowing that choosing you is the best decision I will ever make.
Kung minsan ay di ko nababanggit, pag-ibig ko'y di masukat ng anumang lambing. At kung magkamali akong ika'y saktan, puso mo ba'y handang magpatawad?
Carl Ivan, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Lauren Denise, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Tuwing ako iyong hagkan, umabot man sa ating huling hantungan. Kapit puso kitang hahayaan. Ngayon at
Minsan lang naman to. Kaya my dear brothers and sisters, bigyan natin ng pagkakataon ang ikakasal na minsan lang ito sa kanilang buhay at hindi na ito mauulit kasi minsan na nga lang ito. Pero minsan lang ito. And this only lasts for one day. But marriage is for life.
Nagsimula ang lahat sa isang kanta. Bakit ngayon?
And with Met, nagpaturo ako sa'yo ng daan. And who would have thought, yung lalaking tinanong ko lang naman ng direksyon, eh siya pala ang maglilid sa akin papunta sa Alcara. Makakasama ko habang buhay.
With you, I found my home, my safe place, and my greatest adventure. Today and always, I give you my heart, my loyalty, and my love forever begins now.
Di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat.
Huwag magbabago ang pag-ibig kapag nahihirapan. Kapag may pagsubok sa buhay, mas lalo dapat magmahal. Sabi nga ng matatanda, ang pag-aasawa ay hindi parang kanin na mainit na kapag napaso ka ay iluluwa mo. Dahil ang pag-aasawa sa hirap at ginhawa, kayo ay magkasama.
Pagkat walang magana
promise to listen, to understand, and to be your safe place even when it's hard. And today, with the blessing of the Lord and our parents, I promise to keep choosing you.
If there will be a time that I have to give the every seconds of my life, I will give in a heartbeat and no hesitation. Thank you, and thank you for choosing me. I love you.
Di mauubos yun, sabay natin nadadaan.
Hindi kayo maghihiwalay if you always think about your promise to be together. Through thick and thin, in pain and joy, if you always love and forgive unconditionally.